how to make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels. In order to do that, just click on this plus icon right here and click on this reel option. So just choose which video you want to create the reel into. So for example, I'll head over and then use this one. Now for this case, just click on this text icon and then let's put in here some text. For example, let's put in here a hello text and then let's resize this like this. So we have now added this hello text. However, this text will be available for the whole reel. So let's make this text appear and disappear. Click on this edit video and then from in here you can see this text reel. So you can head over and then click on this split option and then just head over and then split some parts as well and then delete some part that you want to discard. So let's head over and then play it. Click on this play option. We have the hello, it will disappear and it will appear again. So from in there, just click on this icon right here and then you can post it to your actual Instagram. So that's how you make text appear and disappear on Instagram Reels.